How to hide and unhide posts on Facebook. Now let's say you no longer want people to see the post that you have posted on Facebook, or rather you want other people to see the post that you have posted. Either way, in order for you to hide or unhide posts that you have on your Facebook account, you firstly have to go to your profile icon, which is right here, and then scroll down until you pick a post that you want to hide. Let's say this one right here. Now, all I have to do in order for me to hide the post on Facebook is to tap on these three dots right here on the upper side and then click on Edit Privacy right here. Now, in order for me to hide the post on Facebook, all I have to do is to tap on Only Me so that only myself or the account owner will be able to see this specific post. Now, I can just change it and make it public right here so that everyone on the internet will be able to see this specific post. So that's how to hide and unhide posts on Facebook. Hope we help.